Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Todo Natural 14. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Today I have a special video to share with you guys. One of my favorite takeout recipes, and it's a vegan Asian sweet and sour beef recipe that even meat lovers will enjoy. If you're interested, please make sure to like this video so I can make more videos for you guys just like this. Okay, so I have all my ingredients prepped and ready for me. I have garlic, onion, some bell peppers, green and yellow, and my meat alternative, and also a flax meal and starch, cornstarch mixture, which will be my batter or egg wash that I'll be using. I'm just mixing that together, and I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes until the consistency starts to look similar to an egg white. Here is a close-up of the cornstarch and flax milk mixture. I'm using a golden flax meal. I like to use that particular kind because it looks better when I'm wanting to fry. I'm adding my meat alternative. I'm using a bean curd. I actually buy my meat alternative off of Amazon, and this one I really enjoy a lot. The texture of it is very similar to a beef texture from what I remember, and it's crunchy and it gets nice and tender, and it's just very similar and resembles a delicious tender piece of meat. So if you are looking for that, definitely try getting a meat alternative like bean curd, or use seitan or some kind of tempeh or other meat substitutes out there that you can use, but I'm using the bean curd today. So once I mix all that together, I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of avocado and safflower oil to my pot and heat that up on a medium high heat. And then once my oil is ready, I can normally tell if my oil is ready by putting my wooden chopsticks and seeing bubbles go around it, so I can know when to add my items to fry. So I'm adding my meat to my oil and letting that cook up nicely and get crispy all around. I just placed all my cooked pieces on a cooling rack, and I'm letting the other extra pieces cook together in there in the oil. Now it's time for me to stir fry my vegetables. First, I like to add some sesame oil to my saute pan before stir frying my onion. I like to add onion first. I added 1/2 of an onion, breaking them apart so the pieces can not be stuck together. So I'm going to mix that around. Sesame oil makes my vegetables taste a lot better and aromatic, and it gives you that really genuine takeout flavor. Once my onions are a little bit more brown and cooked all the way through, I'm going to add my vegetables. And I like to keep my vegetables nice and crunchy, so I don't want to overcook these. I really just let them heat a little bit through, add some salt and black pepper to taste. And I'm using green and yellow bell peppers. You can use whatever vegetables that you have on hand. That is what I had, so I'm using that. Then at the very end, I like to add my minced garlic, fresh garlic, and it's 1 clove of garlic. And I'm just letting that heat through till it's aromatic and letting all the vegetables get flavored. Now I'm just going to add my meat alternative and then my sweet and sour sauce. I'm using a store-bought sauce that I was able to find in my local grocery store. You can find this at any Asian food aisle. Just to cut corners for the weekend, I didn't want to make a sauce from scratch, but it's very easy. But to make it quick, you can always just use a store-bought sauce like I did, which was very delicious. And here is the sweet and sour vegan sweet and sour beef. And it's so delicious and quick, fast, and everybody in the family will be so happy that you made this. So delicious and so easy and so quick. As you can see, I just let my sauce get nice and thick. I'm just mixing that all in and let it get all heated through. And I just served it with some white rice and some green beans that I had on hand, and just seasoned my green beans with some teriyaki sauce and sesame seeds on top. And that is it. There is the sweet and sour vegan beef. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. Definitely try this recipe. Let me know if you tried it, and thumbs up this video so you can get more. Thank you for watching. Ciao.